Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Credit Karma's international services. A common question people have is whether Credit Karma operates outside of the United States. I'm here to tell you that the answer is yes, they do. Credit Karma offers its services in both Canada and the United Kingdom. In both countries, the company provides free access to credit scores and reports. This allows residents to monitor their financial health. In Canada, Credit Karma uses data from TransUnion and Equifax. In the UK, their service is based on data from TransUnion. It's important to note that the specific features and partnerships may differ from the US version. However, the core service of providing free credit information remains the same. So, if you are in Canada or the UK and want to track your credit score for free, Credit Karma is an option available to you. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.